Hey friends, what is up? It's your girl Whitney B and welcome back to my channel. This is the first video of 2024 and I'm super excited. So as y'all see by this title, I am going to be doing an unboxing of this hair that I received. This hair company, Mandira, I think that's how you pronounce the name. I'm so sorry if I am pronouncing the name incorrectly, but they sent me some hair to review and they actually sent it for free. And it was like, can we send you some hair to review for us? It's raw Indian hair. So initially I was like, yeah, you know, you can send me the hair. But I didn't really think that they would send me the hair. So I finally got the hair and I got it, I think it was Thursday. And I tried to go on live and do an unboxing, but for whatever reason, the speaker wasn't working. So you all couldn't even hear me. So I thought, let me come on here and make a new video so I can tell you guys about this hair. Now, let me show y'all the Instagram. Not sure if you can see it, but it's spelled M-A-N-D-I-R-A, hair, and they're a raw Indian hair company. It says Indian Temple Hair Extensions Exporter from India. So I'm gonna show y'all, they sent me this hair. It came via FedEx and it came directly from India. It's from, let me see the name, Japur, J-A-P-U-R, somewhere in India. And I actually Googled it and it was in fact a place in India. It's a city in India. So I am here to review this hair. They sent me a closure. It's a 5x5 closure, as well as they sent me 3 bundles. They sent me they sent me a, hold on, let me see. So they sent me 16-inch 5x5 closure, well as they sent me a 18-inch, a 20-inch, and a 22-inch. This is, I'm guessing this is just the natural wavy texture. So I'm gonna go ahead and open up the bundle so y'all can see. I did, in the initial video that I made when I went on live, I did go ahead and open up the 22-inch and I unraveled the bundle because I wanted to actually see how if the length was like really true to length, as well as how thick the hair was, like from top to bottom. So I'll show you that in a minute, but I'm first going to show you the 18-inch. And I'm guessing this is just like a natural wavy because it's raw hair. So this is what the hair looks like. So I can definitely tell that it's raw hair and it doesn't have a smell, like a bad smell. However, it does have like a scent. I'm guessing whatever they use to wash the hair with, it is kind of like a perfume type smell. Not a big fan of it, but it's nothing that's like too bad, or you know, it doesn't smell like corn chips, or it's not real stinky. But as you can see, this looks like some really pretty nice raw hair, but of course we're gonna have to put it to the test. And I can pretty much run my fingers through it. I do get a couple strands when I run my fingers through it, but I mean, it's raw hair, as well as the ends are a little poofy, as you can see. So when I construct this into a wig, I'm definitely going to cut the ends off just to get rid of all of those dead ends. The next bundle, so this is the 18-inch. And this one seems a little bit more, this one seems a little bit, I think, more curly, or I don't know. They're both pretty curly. So this is what the hair looks like. And the 22-inch was, I feel like the texture, it was super soft. And out of the 3 bundles, they're both really soft, but out of the 3 bundles, the 22-inch, that hair from that donor was the softest. It was really silky. Not to say that the other ones wasn't silky, but I think the 22-inch was much silkier. It doesn't mean anything. It could mean just whoever the donor was, they took care of their hair a little bit better. But when I unraveled the wefts, this is how the hair looked from top to bottom. So as you can see, it's pretty full from top all the way into the bottom. So now let's get into this closure. Now I'm not gonna lie, I wasn't the biggest fan of the closure, and mainly because I prefer HD closures, and I felt like the closure was, it looks more of like a transparent lace, but the hair is super soft on the closure. It's really full. I'm also not a big fan of the hairline. As you see, it's super thick, and yeah, I'm gonna see if I can work with it a little bit, but just being honest, I'm not a big fan of the closure. So we'll see once I construct it into a wig, you know, if I'm able to pluck it. I'll definitely have to bleach the knots, as well as I'll probably tint the lace just to match my skin tone much better. But I will say the closure, like the hair on the closure is super soft, and even like the ends is really soft as well. But overall, for raw hair, I think it's really good raw hair, like initially. So I won't be able to tell, of course, until I actually wear the hair. I'm probably gonna dye it because I really want to see, you know, how well this hair takes to color. But so far, pretty good. And like I said, they sent me this hair for free. I didn't expect it. I mean, they just wrote me out of nowhere. I've never even heard of this vendor. However, I see on their page they have really good deals on their raw extensions, and I think if you are someone that is thinking about trying them out, definitely give them a try. I did get a chance to speak with the lady that sent me the hair. I'm guessing she's like the owner, but she was super nice. It seems like their communication is really well. She actually contacted me a couple days after I got the hair just to make sure that I received it, as well as she wanted to know, you know, if I was going to do the video. So I told her, you know, I'm going to do the video. I'm a woman of my word, and I wanted to come to y'all to bring y'all this video so that if you're looking for a vendor to try, we can try this vendor out together to see if it's a good fit for your business, or if you're just someone that is looking for raw extensions for personal use. So we're gonna put this hair to the test, but so far it's really pretty. Like, it's really pretty. I'm loving the curl texture. The 22-inch, the curl pattern was a little bit more wavy. It wasn't as curly as the others, and like I said, I did go ahead and unravel this, and the weft is super long. Like, this weft is so long, and I feel like sometimes, like when you order from vendors, the longer the length is, sometimes they can get a little skimpy with the wefts. But I feel like for a longer length, this is a really long weft, and this is double. So when I fold it up, it's really pretty. So this is how the texture looks of the 22-inch, and as you see, the hair has like just its own natural shine. That's what I like about raw hair, especially raw Indian hair. Like, I feel like it blends pretty well with all textures. If you are someone that likes to wear like leave outs, or if you even for your wigs, like, raw hair is really the best option. We are going to put this vendor to the test. Definitely stay tuned. I'm probably going to construct the wig this week. I am, of course, going to try to work with this closure to see how I can get it looking a little better, because I'm really a fan of the hair. It's just, I'm not a fan of the hairline or the lace, but we're gonna see what we can do. Once I construct the wig, I'm gonna come back and make another video and show y'all how the hair looks once I actually construct it into a wig and once I have it styled and on my head. So if you have not subscribed to my channel, go ahead, make sure you're subscribed so that you can catch the video of when I do the actual initial install and styling of this hair, because we are gonna see. That's all for today's video. I just wanted to come to y'all and show y'all the initial unboxing of this hair. And the name of this company is Mandira Exports. And I'm not sure if this company has a Facebook or a YouTube channel. However, you can definitely find them on Instagram, as well as they are on WhatsApp. So if you are interested, I'll leave their information in the description box below. And that is all. Until next time, bye friends.